I'm Susan. Welcome to my channel, and today I want to show you our snap jewelry, and we can surprise all kinds of bracelets, rings, and pendants, earring, and also you can make your own snap jewelries. So what kind of snap jewelry we have? We are available in our website. Later I will show you. Snap jewelry is right now is my newest style in the markets because he can change every just design according to your moods and your dress. So it's easy to detach from your finger. Okay, now with short words we say our products. Okay, now I show you some just snap accessory. This is for ring snap, and this is for leather bracelets, snap leather bracelets, and I have 6 colors. This is 1 strand, and this is 2 strands. This 16-inch, this is 18-inch, and this have size from 7 to 9. So you can choose and according to your size. Okay, this is adjust, and then I put our snap button on my desk. This is snap button is a hollow snap forward with the rhinestones, antical alloy materials, very beautiful colors with 3 colors. One is blue and green and purples. Okay, very beautiful. And this another design is for the hollow design, snap design with the freshwater pearls. These designs. So we can put this snap button fit in the ring, accessory, bracelets, accessories. Now we try this one. Okay. This is okay. This is not suitable. This is one like this. Perfect combination. Show different styles. Okay, and we also have the spring. We can elastic this one. Rings. We can put this. Quite beautiful. You can change this flexibly if you don't want such kind of ring buttons. That's why that is very popular now in markets, because it can change every styles and became the new style. Okay. This ring is about user 1.2, and this is the snap button. The price is 1 piece US dollar 0.630 to 0.32. Okay, and this one is US dollar 1.42, and this is $2 2.04. Very good and cheapest price, and for us to have everyday new designs. Effect this like this. Okay.